Another day, another Toyota vlog. Hello everyone! Today pag-usapan naman natin ano nga ba ang difference ng full electric vehicle versus hybrid electric vehicle. Full electric vehicle is 100% powered by electricity. No gasoline at all. Plug mo lang sa charger, parang cellphone lang. Wow! Meanwhile, hybrid electric vehicle is a combination of gasoline engine plus electric motor. Pwedeng kuryente, pwedeng gas, or both. Self-charging, so no plug needed. Wow! Sa full electric vehicle, super tipid kasi wala kang gasolina. Eco-friendly, and less pollution. Ang downside, kailangan mo mag-charge. And medyo limited pa ang charging stations. So, kailangan planado ang biyahe. Sa hybrid electric vehicle naman, gumagamit pa rin siya ng gasolina, kaya hindi 100% eco-friendly. However, tipid ka pa rin sa gasolina kasi may battery assist. No need na rin mag-worry sa charging stations kasi may gasoline ka pa rin. Mas flexible, less fuel consumption, and hindi mo kailangan mag-full charge palagi. Ikaw, are you ready to go full electric vehicle or hybrid electric vehicle? Yun lang, see you on our next Toyota vlog. Thank you, God bless, and love, love!